Sensio, our web and app-based pump performance monitoring system, allows manufacturing plants to improve their pumps' performance and energy efficiency through real-time monitoring, control, and diagnostic tools. It enables remote management of the pumps, motors, and related assets, resulting in increased operational efficiency. As per an analysis, the pump's operational cost is around 90% of its life cycle cost. Sensio uses advanced adaptive modeling, including deep learning and algorithms to optimize the life cycle cost. Approx 40% of energy is wasted due to lack of data-driven approach in determining pumps' performance. Therefore, a data-driven approach is essential to improve pump performance and continuously monitor it. In the manufacturing and process industries, there is significant potential to implement PAT scheme to trade excessive energy saving. These industries can opt for CBAM certificates and regulatory framework to operate in EU market. Sensio simplifies implementing PAT scheme and adopting CBAM framework while establishing specific energy consumption in kilowatt-hour KL. This solution reads the real-time data through Monitor IT, which helps to access real-time pump health data, know the baseline and efficiency of each pump, which further helps in improving the performance and reducing the SEC. Sensio is also a condition monitoring platform. It analyzes a pumping station's dynamic performance by linking operational parameters of electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic disciplines. This helps understand the overall performance and provides early breakdown indications. It is a real-time monitoring and reporting solution for pumping sets, offering all information through an easy-to-use dashboard interface, accessible via web or mobile application. Sensio reflects data in monetary terms, which enables plants to take economic decisions and help them achieve ROI in most cases within 1 to 2 years. Improve the baseline. Reduce life cycle cost by 15% to 45%. Optimize parallel series pump operations. Sensio, a one-stop solution for all your pump-related queries. To know more, scan the QR codes.